85 million jobs could go unfilled by 2025, simply because people lack the right skills. But here's the good news. I've found the exact 5 skills that'll make you invaluable, and they pay between $100,000 to $200,000 a year. I'm challenging myself to master 3 of these by 2025. Will you join me? Stick around, because number 3 is a game changer. Let's start with a bitter truth. Most people fail because they make 2 mistakes. 1. Chase outdated skills, like degrees. I will automate. 2. Don't monetize. Right. Skills isn't equal to income without strategy. Example. Imagine spending $50,000 on a graphic design degree, only to compete with AI tools doing 80% of the work for $5 a month. That's the crisis. Here are the top 5 highest paying skills. First up, generative AI. This isn't just using ChatGPT anymore. Companies are paying top dollar for experts who can fine-tune AI models, automate workflows, and even build custom AI solutions. Think AI prompt engineering, LLM customization, and AI-powered marketing. Salaries? Easily $120,000 to $200,000. And it's only growing. Next, data analysis. Data is the new oil, and businesses are desperate for people who can turn numbers into strategy. SQL, Python, Tableau. Master these, and you're looking at $90,000 to $150,000. Even better, remote jobs in this field are exploding. Number 3, software development. Yeah, it's not new, but here's why it still dominates. Every industry needs coders, full-stack devs, cloud engineers, and SaaS builders are making $150,000 plus, and with AI tools helping you code faster. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Skill 4, user experience, UX. If you can design apps and websites that people love using, you're golden. UX designers and researchers are pulling in $100K to $180K per year because companies finally realize bad design is equal to lost revenue. Finally, on number 5, web development. Not just basic websites. Think advanced JavaScript frameworks, progressive web apps, and headless CMS setups. Freelancers here charge $75 to $150 per hour, and full-time roles, $110,000 plus with benefits. Here's a success story. Jay was stuck in a $12 per hour job until he mastered web development. Now he has 3 clients paying $5,000 per month each. Works from anywhere. It took him just 6 months. No degree needed. Now it is your turn. 1. Pick one skill from above. 2. Comment it below. I'll reply with free resources. 3. Spend 1 hour per day for 30 days. Warning. These skills will get crowded by 2025. The early adopters? They'll be the ones earning $200,000, while others panic. Which skill will you learn first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. And hey, if you're serious about making money in 2025, don't stop here. Drop a comment below. I'll reply with the best free resources to get started. Let's heal, hustle, and prosper together.